Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my automobile, and I have with me here G-Wagon. We have some small issue here: check lights, brake, ABS, and so on. But that's not the work. We have SRS. So, guys, we want to take off the steering wheel. We want to take out the steering wheel, especially the airbag. I want to take out the airbag on this new model G-Wagon, and then I'll be showing you guys how we'll get there, because at times it's very difficult for you to locate where the holes of these things are. At times some people have not yet punctured the holes, but you need to carefully trace. Carefully trace the hole of these things on the steering wheel. So you have to be very, very sensitive to know where to punch. So here I have one small hole that I just tried to punch here. Actually, I was trying to look for where to punch on the steering so that I won't make any mistake. So this car is the first time they will open the steering wheel, especially the airbag. So this is the first time. So it took us time to to actually locate where we can puncture so that we can remove the steering wheel. So guys, let's go. Let me turn the steering to this other side so you can see. You can see very close there. Okay, I will take in my screwdriver there, then push it in. See, it's open. Then I need to turn again, turn the steering. Then here we go. Here I come again. I open. So guys, you can see now I can take off the airbag. Now I can take off the airbag. So guys, we just have two clip key inside. These are the keys. These are the key. This is the second one. So guys, let me just take in my little Allen key. Let me just take in my small Allen key. You can see when I push, just here. So guys, just take it in here and then push it out. Let's go again. Let me use from the other side because I'm using the same hand to do my video.
Oh, that is our morning.
So guys, trying to show you guys how to take it off, but just very close to the steering wheel by the chrome, not too far from it, in case you've not seen anyone that is punctured before. So guys, you just use your sense and then pull it out from there. So guys, if this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Miami Automobile. Subscribe, like my video, share my video, and then thanks for watching.